In today's video, I'll show you how to change your console region on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Region, and select this. You can now choose the new region you need to use here. Then I'd recommend reading the information displayed. Some settings will need to be changed because of the region change. If you're happy, choose Next, and then you'll need to read and agree to the new EULA. Again, if you're happy with this, choose Accept, then restart, and your console should now be set to the new region. That's how to change your console region on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.